you know Excel formulas, you control data. If you don't, data controls you. In this video, I'll teach you the most important Excel formulas used in offices, accounts, finance, banking, operations, and analytics. No theory. Only practical formulas with real examples. Watch till the end. This can literally change your career. Why Excel formulas matter. Excel formulas save time, reduce errors, and make you valuable at work. Used for reports, reconciliations, MCAS, payroll, analysis. Today, we'll cover 15 plus must-know formulas. Basic formulas, foundation. 1 sum, sec each sum, A1, A10, adds numbers. 2 average is average, A1, and then finds average. 3 counter, count A1 is numbers, counter A1, A10, non-blank cells used in daily reports. Logical formulas very important. For if IFA per 1 5,000 high, low used for anti-incentives. Status checks, decision making 5 and or ins I at kairos B1 plus 0. Is OR A1? Yes, B1 then yes. Used in eligibility rules. Lookup formulas job critical. 6 lookup A2, sheet 2 at AB 20. Used to fetch names, amounts, codes, limitation, works left to right, only. 7x lookup, CLS lookup A1, A1 D5 to CLS horizontal lookup, 8x lookup, modern Excel, X lookup A2 AABB, more powerful, no column number issue, text formulas, report cleaning, 9 left, right mid 8x left, A1 can 4, Aggie right A1 man 2, immediate A1.2 se 2S3, used to split codes. Concat, text join n, echo concat A1, B1 joins text, 11 trim at trim A1, removes extra spaces, date and time formulas, 12 today, now on today, M now used in aging reports, 13 dated if is dated if of B1 D, used for due days, outstanding reports, 14 humans A1 taldas, month end calculation. Finance and accounting formulas. 15 round is round A1 turn 2 used in financial reporting. 16 sum if calls, count if it's sum if AA, sales. BB, conditional totals. 17 if error, if error lookup. Cello prevents LNA errors. Combination formulas. Advanced skill. Example. IFRR lookup A2, sheet 2 and AB, 2 Z2, not found. This is what professionals use daily. Common mistakes, hard coding values, not locking cells, ignoring errors, overusing manual calculations. Excel formulas are not optional skills. They decide your speed, accuracy, and growth. If you master just these formulas, you're already ahead of 70% professionals. Follow this channel for real Excel plus finance learning. Practice daily. Excel rewards consistency. Comment, like, subscribe for more videos.